boys and girls, and welcome back to Graceville, where God's love is everywhere. It's me, Pastor Anastacia, and I'm so super duper excited that you joined me today as we learn more about our best friend, Jesus. Today's special feature comes from right here in the United States, where my friend Aliya has prepared a beautiful song just for us. Let's listen in.
All the things that I have held dear, the vanities that whispered in my ear, what would I do if they all disappeared? Riches and fame and all that they could buy, I come to find they never satisfy. What would I gain if my soul's the prize? I don't wanna love what the world loves. I don't wanna chase what the world does. I only want you. I only want you. First things first, I seek your will, not my own. Surrender all my wants to you. Keep the first things first. To live your truth, walk your ways, set my eyes, Lord, I fix my face on you. All my desires reverse, to keep the first things first.
Thanks, Aliya. That was amazing. Boys and girls, remember, if you want to share your gifts and talents for Jesus, please ask your parents or guardians to inbox me, and I'd be happy to share it with our friends. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I just love to hear that music because it's nature time, and I'm so excited because our friend Ryan from Canada is back. And you know how it is with him. You never know who or what we'll be learning about today. So if you want to learn more about God's creation with me, you'll just have to come along with us.
Hello boys and girls, and welcome again to Nature Time at Graceville. Today, we're going to be talking about palm trees. Let's tune in. There are over 2,600 kinds of palm trees. The most popular is the king palm because it grows in many countries, but it is originally from Australia. It can grow up to 40 feet tall and 15 feet wide. The date palm is the longest living palm tree. It can live up to 120 years. The wax palm is the tallest and grows up to 200 feet. Some palm trees grow fruit, for example, the coconut palm tree, the date palm tree, and the peach palm tree. The seed of the coco de mer palm tree is the largest seed in the world. It's also called the double coconut tree. It can weigh over 60 pounds and be 60 inches wide. Matthew chapter 17 verse 20b says, "Truly I tell you, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, 'Move from here to there,' and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you." It doesn't matter how small our faith is. Jesus promises that it will grow, and we will be able to do amazing things for him. Boys and girls, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.
And we're back just in time to check in on Melissa. I wonder how her week went. Well, let's go.
Oh, hey, Pastor Anastacia.
Why so down, Melissa?
I really messed up with my friend Hannah. I don't think she'll ever speak to me again.
Oh, Melissa, don't despair. We all mess up sometimes. Thankfully, our God is always ready to forgive and restore us. Wait a minute. That reminds me of our theme for this week, which simply says, God restores us. Let me hear my friend Zay say it.
God restores.
And our memory verse is found in Ephesians 4 verse 32. And it simply says, be kind to one another, tender-hearted, forgiving one another even as God in Christ forgave you. Let me hear my friend Ava say it.
Be kind to one another, tender-hearted. Forgive one another as God in Christ forgave you. Ephesians 4:32.
Great job, everyone!
But what I've done is unforgivable. I don't think there's any coming back from what I did.
I wouldn't say that if I were you. Remember, with God, all things are possible, even forgiveness and restoration. That's exactly what the disciple in today's story discovered after he felt really guilty about denying Jesus. Can you guess who today's story is about?
Why would anyone want to deny Jesus? Oh, which disciple was it again? Oh, yeah, Peter.
That's right, Christian. Today's story is about Peter. Before Jesus' crucifixion, he told his disciples that they would all abandon him. Peter was the first to speak up, promising never to deny him, even if everyone else turned their backs. Sadly, Peter was not able to keep that promise. He was so disappointed in himself. Guilt ate away at him until the day he met Jesus at the beach preparing breakfast. Jesus asked him 3 times, "Do you love me?" Unsure of what to answer the 3rd time, Peter replied, "Lord, you know." When Jesus invited Peter to care for his sheep and follow him, finally, Peter was at peace, knowing that he was forgiven and restored.
Wowzers. If Peter could come back after that, I just know there's hope for me and Hannah.
There certainly is. So, no matter what the situation, never lose hope, because our God restores us. Boys and girls, if you want to see more videos from Graceville, please ask your parents to like or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit like at the bottom of the page.
Hit the like button below and subscribe.